body stays nice and long. Feel free to grab your prop and turn the chest here. Legs nice and strong, so use your quad muscles. You'll feel your kneecap lift up a little bit as you do that, as you engage. And we'll come into our standing balancing pose, half moon. Bend the front leg, launch off the back foot. Use the outer hip muscles as glute medius to strongly lift your leg. And then if you find your balance again, we're turning the chest. This is a hip opener as well as standing balancing. So we want to keep the chest open, hips open. And we'll land into our star position. From here, bring your hands to your hips, get a nice long spine, hinge at the hips for a wide leg forward fold. Release tension in the neck, so the upper traps, just let them release here, jaws released. Another breath. And we'll inhale with a flat back, come all the way back up, turn those heels in again, bend your knees, one more goddess